So we have the final body primed. I was able to get the little thing in the back, the little bear. I'm not going to use this bear because I'm actually using this for an animation project and I want them to be able to put things in the back. So I think it would be more interesting if the characters could put things in the trunk instead of having something already in there, but you don't care about that. You just care about the priming process. You saw I used the 2X Rust-Oleum primer, which worked pretty well. It's a little wet right there because I had the wet sand. Yeah, I had the wet sand spot right here. I'm actually not going to reprime it. I'm just going to go ahead and start painting. I thought about buying some paint, but I'm not going to buy any paint. I'll show you guys the painting process once this dries up. So as you see, I customized the figure. I simply repainted it using acrylic paints and brushes. Now I did make a few mistakes on this, as you're going to see. The biggest mistake is the paint was way too thick. I should have thinned the paint with some rubbing alcohol. I did not do that. I usually don't do that, but for some reason the color red is just, the color red in general is just different than all the other colors when you're doing photography, whether you're painting. Just the color red just reacts differently. And with paint, the color red, it just shows all the brush strokes. It's very thick. And I probably should have just used an airbrush or bought like one of those short cans. But when I went to Michael's, they did not have the short can of the red spray, so I had to use a regular brush, and it's all right. So as you can see, I made it work now.